Hello friends, this is a user review for FastTrack Reflex 3.0. As you can see that I have already unboxed this FastTrack Reflex 3.0 and I bought this product on 7th of February. I got this for 2000 almost 2500 and I applied a gift card, so it resulted in I got it at 1500. And this FastTrack 2.3 I used for 3 days. As you can see, the specifications are mentioned on the back, although it's a product that you will be very disappointed since the specifications are not up to the mark at this price, and you can get other bands which are more functional at a lower cost, like MI band 4 or Honor band 5 and other products. Also the application that comes with it is FastTrack Reflex World, that is also not up to the mark. And as you can see that I had a very bad user experience with this product, right from the build quality and the wearing experience. Since the application is also very hard to find, you can try it on Play Store, and as you can see on the tablet mode, it's also not available at many places. I don't think it is the country is appropriate here. The option says that this item is not available in your country yet. See the this is, I think, a user review. As you can see the options available in this phone, this band face, it says they provide up to 10 days of battery life, but after using it just for 3 days the battery has died down, uh, and it's almost at 20% now just after using for 2 days. You can see the functions which are available, and also the touch is of not great quality. If you swipe the menu, you go into the menu, like for example I just touched, I swiped for a to show the functions, but it's not available. So you can see the time, you can see my fitness, which gives you the number of steps and your average heart rate. Also there is multi sports mode, which has sports mode like outdoor walk, outdoor run, outdoor cycling, indoor walk, indoor run. See, I swiped but it has started. Earlier I used to have problem with that, how to stop this, because if you touch the back button it doesn't go backwards. So when I contacted FastTrack on this, they said that you have to long press the back button or the home key as they say to get out of here, like this. And after that if you want to resume you have to press the green button, and otherwise you can have this quit option. So it says it was too short to record anything, so nothing has been recorded. Otherwise it says, do you want to save it or you want to for first time I didn't know that how to stop this. So I think outdoor cycling went on for 6 hours. For that also it calculated the calories burnt and all, which I specified to FastTrack that to correct that, but it has not been done yet. The mode as HIIT, which is high intensity workout. Although I don't know what it is. The mode has yoga, elliptical, spinning, hiking, spinning, hiking, and rowing. As if people in India are very much doing that. It does not have very simple sports activities like badminton, like football, and all, but it has just modes like rowing. How many people do rowing in India? And they are selling this in the other section, and this is very bad. If you select badminton in the other section, the data just goes berserk. Outdoor walk, the again same menu has started coming. The other thing is sleep, and it does not detect sleeps if you sleep in afternoon, it only detects if you sleep at night. And I have also mailed FastTrack on this problem. There are a lot of issues I am facing with this band, and they are taking a lot of time to resolve it. See the heart rate, multi-sport function. Now sleep function is there, which shows the time for which you have slept. See, the option to swipe is not that easy. You either press home button or you just go into the menu. See, this is the problem I am facing again and again, and you won't be able to go up to the last function because of this. This is a breath function for which you can, for example, if you have anger issues, you can manage your anger by having breath for exhale and inhale for 1 minute. The other thing is the music function. It also worked very badly, and when I mailed them, they corrected it, because the volume rocker and the forward and backward button didn't work. The more menu has weather and clock updates. In clock you have alarms and stopwatch which work perfectly, and the timer also works very fine. The good feature is this, the find phone option. For example, if you have your phone kept somewhere, uh, it will have a very nice ringing sound, and you will get your phone. I can use that feature now, just to show. The other feature is camera, which won't work, and the camera has a very bad quality.